Okay guys, example number 3 here. It says simplify the expression, use only positive exponents. Okay, let's look at this first one. This is a fraction times a fraction. And you'll remember with fractions we just multiply straight across, right? And I'm going to do something a little bit longer than you guys would normally. But let's look at this first one. A. It says 2 times x times y times 9 times x times y times y. Wait a minute, Mr. C, you just wrote all those on the same thing? Well, yeah, it's a fraction times a fraction. Don't I just multiply the things on the top, multiply the things on the bottom, right? So then I've got 3 times x times y times y times y times y. Okay. What do I do from there? Well, guys, this is super easy. Now we just cancel what we can. Those will cancel. Those will cancel. Looks like that'll cancel. How about this x with that x? Sure. Is that everything? Oh, look. How about that 3 with that 9? And I'm left with a 3. Can I cancel anything else? No, I don't think so. All right, well, let's now put it all back together. Multiply my numbers. I got 2 times 3, correct? 2 times 3. All right. And that's going to give me 6x squared over y. Man, that's simple. Man, that's simple. Mr. C, that's simple. It is. All right, good job. Easy enough. Whenever I'm multiplying fractions, it's just the stuff on the top over the stuff on the bottom. I can put it together and make one big fraction. All right. Now let's look at the one on the right here. The one on the right is a little bit different. Okay. What I want to do here is I want to realize the exponent of 2 is 1. The exponent of x is 1. The exponent of the y is 2. Let me just put a little arrow there. See, that's 2. And I need to distribute the 4 into the fraction. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this now. Now the new fraction is 2 to the 4th, x to the 4th, because I multiply exponents that are separated by parentheses, over y to the 8th. Okay, can I simplify that at all? I can't simplify the variables, right? Because I don't know what x is, so I can't multiply it 4 times. I don't know what y is, I can't multiply it 8 times. But I do know what 2 is, and I can multiply that 4 times. I know that 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. X to the 4th over y to the 8th. That's it. Nothing else I can do. All right? Nice job, guys.